Okay, today we're going to look at the Baldwin B1441 oil filter. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $5.25. So let's get started. Except for it's supposed to, you got a glue silicone here, filtration. Okay, let's see what she looks like. Let's get the date code. 11/23/20 And let's see if I can find it here. Made in USA. Pretty big filter. Good size. 5 inlet holes. See a bypass down below. And some louvers. Metal core with louvers. How's this O-ring? It's on there kind of okay. It's got these little indentations here. And let's see, the grooves here, I don't know, there's about four threads. I don't know if that's a rubber anti-drain back valve there. It's kind of, I'll see when I cut it open. I say we cut this baby open, see what she looks like. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 19.6 ounces. This fits some of your Chevy V8 diesels, among, and a variety of other vehicles, I'm sure. Let's get the base plate weight. 7.8 ounces. And this, I believe, is silicone anti-drain back valve. And they put this little insert in here. I guess that's just to make the smooth transition from the oil flow from here to out to your engine. And I'm going to flip this over and show you guys this way. Okay, here's your coil spring. It's a nice heavy duty one. So keep everything nice and tight. And look at this bypass valve. It's even got a gasket on it. And this has got a setting of 15 psi. It's pretty cool. And the can, let's get the measurements here. I think I was getting about 4.4 millimeter. Yeah, 0.4 millimeter. That's pretty much average. I mean, some go below that, but feels good. It's a pretty big can. And it counted 57 pleats. There's no excess glue or anything. They're spaced really evenly here, except, there's a little bit here, but this ain't bad. Right here's your glued seam. Yeah, they're pretty good here. Metal end caps, louvers. And let's see, the micron rating. This is what I got off of their website. It's got a micron rating of 9.8. Let me rephrase that. It's got a nominal micron rating of 9.8 and an absolute rating of 27. And I don't know what the media is made out of. It's probably some kind of blend. get the width. .67 inches. Go this way. 3.29. 4.14. Yeah, it feels good. This filter feels really good. I'm kind of impressed with this filter. It's only a 5. It cost it $5.25 at Rock Auto. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool filter. So I say we cut this baby open and see how long she is. Okay, so here she is laid out. This is a long one. A lot of filter media on this one. 92.5 inches long. Look at that. That's a lot of filter media. Okay, and here's your seam. And the filter media, I cut a little piece off. It feels pretty good. It's you know, like I said, I don't know what it is. It's probably some kind of cellulose papers. I don't know what it is. It doesn't feel like it's synthetic, but it's probably some kind of cellulose filter media blend. That's usually what these, but it's kind of on the thick side. It's a little thicker than most. So, but it feels good. Feels good. And the rest of it, you know, for $5.25, you know, it's got a silicone anti-drain back valve, which is nice. Although it's kind of a strange one because it's got a big hole there, but it's because of this insert. You know. It says, I don't know if you pick that Parker. It says Parker on it. And it's got this interesting bypass valve. It's a big spring. Look at the size of that spring. Wow. Yeah. And you got the coil spring, which is nice. You know, keeps it all nice and tight. Overall, I say it's a pretty good filter. You got a nice base plate here. This is all, the O-ring's nice. You know, the coil spring. So I guess I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget about Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. Hey, so if you guys like this video, please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.